Nako, tila naging woman of the hour si Grace Lee matapos umamin si Pangulong Nonoy Aquino na nagde-date silang dalawa. Pero pakiusap po ng Kapuso host, sana raw ay bigyan sila ng oras at privacy. May news to go si Nelson Canlas.
Aminado ang Kapuso host na si Grace Lee. Hindi siya sanay sa napakalaking atensyong nakatuon sa kanya matapos aminin ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino na nagde-date sila. Laman nga ng maraming pahayagan ang balita tungkol sa pagde-date nila ng Pangulo. Ilang miyembro ng media at mga photographer mula sa international wire agencies tulad ng Agence France Presse at APTN ang bumuntot sa kanya.
Ang dami nang nag-tweet sa akin, nag-BBM. May pag-asa daw ba si Pinoy?
You know, it's one of the reasons why I wanted this to be more private was because we're still at a stage of getting to know each other. And I didn't want so many people having so much to say about what's going on between us. It's really us seeing each other, as the president said. And yun nga, we're getting to know each other. So I don't think I'm gonna waste my time spending, you know, hours of my day trying to know a man if I was not interested at all. You know, he is a wonderful person.
Kahit daw presidente si Pinoy, pinipilit daw niyang maging normal ang kanyang pagpapakita ng paghanga.
He's the president of the country and he's really busy. Normal ba yung panliligaw niya sa'yo?
Ano yan?
Normal ba yung panliligaw niya sa'yo? Like, he calls you every day?
I don't know about calling every day. I don't want to divulge too much details. Pero, yes, very normal. Like any other guy.
Sends you flowers? Sends you flowers? Chocolates?
I've received a couple of chocolates and flowers. He's very sweet.
Nag-host noon si Grace Lee ng isang event sa Cebu nang una silang magkita ni Pangulong Aquino.
Pati yung bisita natin si Miss Grace Lee, hala ko tuloy Pinay. Hindi nga pala Korean. Pero pati yung Korean dumarating talagang gwapa lahat. Kailangan niya talagang buhayin yung malakad ng sugbo. Baka dito na rin tayo magkatuluyan. Pero
magpapasko naman nung nakaraang taon nang magkita muli ang dalawa. In-interview ni Grace Lee si Pinoy sa Malacanang para sa kanyang radio show. Sa litratong ito, kitang-kitang malapit ang dalawa sa isa't isa. Tila binibrief ni Grace Lee ang Pangulo sa mga itatanong niya rito. Marami raw silang napag-usapan sa interview, mula sa plano niya para sa bansa hanggang sa uri ng kinahihiligan niyang musika.
He's brilliant. He's, I think, if not the most intelligent man I've met in my life.
Inamin din ni Grace Lee na nag-aalala ang kanyang manager at maging ang kanyang ina.
Your mom is really conservative.
Yes.
How is she taking all this?
Well, of course, she's concerned. Kahit sino namang mom out there would be concerned with the sudden pour of attention from so many different, you know, media. So, worried siya.
Malaking change yung mangyayari sa kanya. But the most important dapat, guard your heart.
Sa ngayon, may panawagan si Grace Lee.
Then I would like to take this opportunity to ask everyone to, you know, give us time and space. Sabi ko nga, kawawa naman si Presidente.
Nelson Canlas, GMA News.